So today I'm going to show you how to delete all of your posts or one of your posts off of Facebook.com. It's actually not hard at all, but you just got to know what to look for. So let's start by going to Facebook.com. In the upper right hand corner, click on your account, which is your profile picture. Go to settings and privacy. Click on that for me. Then click on your activity log. Boom, bam. And then from there on the left hand side, you want to click on your posts. Allow it to populate. And then you want to go and click on all. And from there, you can either like deselect those. You can archive them. You can change your audience from public, friends, or just yourself seeing these posts. Or you can just go ahead and delete all of them. What you want to do is, so it only loads a certain number of posts at a time. So you want to scroll down and allow them to populate. Just keep doing it, because if you do it prematurely, it just says only 25. But if now that I've scrolled down and let some more load, I press it again, now I have 75. So just keep doing that until all of your posts load, and from there you can do what you like with them, including delete them. And that's pretty much it, you all. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, thanks for tuning in to Content Bebop.